Guys, presently we are in Nagar Castle. This is a Nagar Castle is a medieval castle located in Kulu, in Himachal Pradesh, India. It is the castle of built by Raja Sid Singh in 1460 AD, and now presently this castle is running as a heritage hotel by Himachal Pradesh Tourism Department Development HPDTC. This castle was the stones which has been used for this castle is taken from the abandoned palace in Gartak of Raja Bhonsal, and the labors which were used to build this castle, and it was informed by Raja Sid Singh that you must make a chain out of Bias river on the left and right bank of Bias river so that they can bring the stones and place it over here. The heritage hotel, which has been run by HRTDC, is from since 1978, and you will get varieties of rooms over here, starting from normal room till super deluxe, and all the rates are there are various rates available over here. There's also a restaurant over here. Even if you are not staying, you can have a nice meal over here. The entry fee over here is rupees 30 per person, and this is a very good castle which is built of wooden and stones, because you can see stones and wood are placed. It was survived in 1905 by earthquake. In 1905 earthquake came, and this is only the castle which was saved. Rest all the valley over here and area and one more city over here, Java, it was totally ruined. Only this castle was survived, and thanks to this construction, both of wooden and this stone, it survived. And if you see behind, there's a beautiful mountains over here. Also you can see a snow-capped mountains. This is a Kulu district, around 40 kilometers from Manali, and the roads are very nice to come over here. You can take a nice road trip. It doesn't take so much time to reach. You can hire a bike, or you can come by HRTC bus as well, and you can come and explore the castle which is in Nagar, in Kulu district, Kulu. So that's for all from today. The next video will be coming soon. Thank you. Hello guys, now we are at Nagar and entering Nagar Castle.
फोटो लेना ही है।
हाँ, होटल थे उन्होंने कन्वर्ट 1970 में. They have converted this into room. કાંઈ મને છે ઇકોનોમી 1200
એકદમ એવો છે એનું વચમાં
2 માણસ હશે, બરાબર છે?
1900 થી 2400 ની વચમાં લેવાનું તે સારું કહેવાય.
હા,
એસી ડીલર
કોઝી ડીલર છે.
પછી તો બહુ છે ઉપર.
પછી તો બહુ થઈ ગયું.
રૂમ્સમાં
रीजनेबल है।
पण फिशनं तर मेनू होते
एक नंबर
ते तो मनाली फील करने का है
ये कराता हूँ ना तो सही कराता हूँ, नहीं तो नहीं कराता हूँ।
हाई स्पॉट मध्ये
मज़ा आया कि नहीं खाली
मनाली करता काय मजा नाही
मनाली तो अपना स्पॉट है, वहीं से सब चालू हो गया। रिवर फ्रोजन हो गया।
लिमिटेडचे
ऑफिस में पूछो सर। अरे ऊपर ऊपर राउंड मारिए, ऊपर राउंड मारिए। अजय व्यू इल का अच्छा है। ये खाओ
तो नीचे जाके आता बिल्कुल
रेस्टोरेंट है।
रेस्टोरेंट है वो भी रेस्टोरेंट है
अच्छा This is 111 deluxe room. This is 100 regular suite. This 109 again regular suite.